In this video, let me explain the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, or we can say empirical rule. In the normal distribution with mean mu and the standard deviation sigma, approximately 68% of the observations fall within sigma of mu. Next, approximately 95% of the observations fall within 2 sigma of mu. The last, approximately 99.7% of the observations fall within 3 sigma of mu. Let me explain this further. Approximately 68% of the observations fall within sigma of mu means consider the density curve. It is a bell shape and symmetric about mean and above the x-axis. So you see the area between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma. So according to the theory, according to the rule, empirical rule, we can say the area between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma is 68%. Or we can say probability between mu minus sigma plus mu and mu plus sigma is 68%. That means 0.68. Similarly, you can explain this one 95%. That is the between mu minus 2 sigma and mu plus 2 sigma. And the last one 99.7% between mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma. Let me explain this using an example. In a recent report, during research in a school, it was found that the heights of the students of class 6 were found to be in a normal distribution. If the mean height is 1.5 and the standard deviation is 0.08, then classify the data in accordance with the empirical rule. First, let me observe the important information. It is a normal distribution and mean is 1.5. The standard deviation is 0.08. Now let me define a random variable x be the height of the student. Then we can say x has normal distribution with mean 1.5 and the standard deviation 0.08. According to this information, let me draw the density curve. Yes, you see here this density curve is symmetric about mean, which is 1.5. Okay, how can we apply the first one to this case or this problem? Yes, first one says 68%, approximately 68% between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma. So in our problem, mu is 1.5, sigma is 0.08. So we can find the area between 1.5 minus 0.08 and 1.5 plus 0.08. So according to the rule, area between these two numbers, that means 1.42 and 1.58, is 68%. Or we can say probability between 1.42 and 1.58 is 0.68. Right. Let me apply the second part. Second one says 95% between within 2 standard deviation. That means mu minus 2 sigma and mu plus 2 sigma. We know mu is 1.5, sigma is 0.08. So we can show the area according to our curve, our density curve. So that is 1.34 and 1.66. Therefore, according to the rule, empirical rule, we can say 95% are between 1.34 and 1.66. Let me apply the last part. It says between mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma. That means within 3 standard deviation. Area under the curve is 99.7%. right? So according to that, we can find 1.5 minus 3 times 0.08 and 1.5 plus 3 times 0.08, which is 1.26 and 1.74 respectively. That means 99.7% are between 1.26 and 1.74.